Let your beauty sing.
Hello beauty singers, we're going to talk about cleansing, toning and moisturising. Okay, so yeah, everyone says to me, why Sunny, why do we do cleanse, tone and moisturise, and how do we do it? I mean, some people are very new to it and it's absolutely fine, because sometimes all people know is soap and water and that is it. Okay, let's look at our skin. So we really want to help our skin. We need to know the skin type as well, so we know we're using the right products to help our skin even further. But when we come to cleansing, what I do like to use is like a cleansing lotion or a cleansing balm rather than facial wipes. Now, facial wipes, when you're cleansing your skin, what happens is it just moves the makeup around your face, okay? Let's look at cleansing. What it does, cleansing opens the pores up, so it takes all the grime out of the face. And sometimes you might feel that you need to do a double cleanse. The double cleanse comes into place because you may be wearing a lot more makeup than usual, okay? So that opens the pores. Now we look at toning. Toning closes the pores. Now, this could be like cold water, or you can have a specific toning spray that is working with your skin type. You have like an essence, it could be rose water, it could be witch hazel. So that will then tighten or close the pores for you, okay? So that's your cleanse and your tone. Then you have your moisturizer. Now your moisturizer, you can have one for day or for night. Now if you are going to use moisturizer doesn't actually add moisture to the skin. What it does is retain it. But if your moisturizer, say it's a nighttime moisturizer, has something like peptides or niacinamide or hyaluronic acid, those things will go into the skin, okay? But the moisturizer itself, the basic ingredients in the moisturizer, will stay on the surface to retain that moisture. So you've got your cleanse, your tone and your moisturizer, really straightforward. If you are doing a daytime thing, after your cleanse, tone and moisturize, an SPF 50 would be ideal for your skin, especially in your 40s plus. If you are in your 30s or 20s and 30s, SPF 30 will be okay, but SPF 50 is really ideal before you start putting on your makeup, okay? But it should be the last thing out of your moisturizing elements that you put on your face, okay? And yeah, and then replenish when needed, especially if you're going in the water, etc. But yeah, that's so basic, so straightforward. You shouldn't have an issue with it. If you don't know where to start, you can download my Let Your Beauty Sing basic beauty guide. It is there to help you. It's not overwhelming, it's step by step, and you can understand what your skin type is, the types of products that you can use as well, and how to choose them. And if you have any questions, you can always drop me an email too. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.